So Airbnb had an outstanding quarter when they announced their earnings, so much so that the stock closed the day up 15% or roughly $20, and in the process took out weekly sellers at $149. And this is a big thing because these weekly sellers were in control back in November of 2024 when this level was formed from this drop in price, one basing candle, and then the drop out. Price returns to the level, and then the sellers won the battle with the buyers pushing the stock back down. But the buyers were silent, and they came back with a vengeance on earnings, again taking out this weekly sell level. Now, where's price heading next? Well, stay tuned to the end. For now, we're going to get into the actual news. So in Q4, Airbnb's financial results beat expectations on the top and bottom line. The company enjoyed a 12% jump in nights and experiences booked on its platform, with December capping off its best growth of the year. Average daily rates were up slightly as well, and this resulted in a 12% year-over-year growth for revenue, which came in at $2.5 billion. On the bottom line, Airbnb had a net income of $461 million, up dramatically from its net loss of $349 million in the prior year period. Additionally, the company had a full-year operating income of nearly $2.6 billion, up 68% from 2023, and good for a fantastic margin of 23%. In short, the numbers were incredible and strong, giving investors plenty of confidence in its ability to compete in the space over the long run. Airbnb is really striking a great balance with its business. It's clearly still investing for growth specifically. It's trying to better localize its brand to grow in certain international markets, and its plans to invest $200 million to $250 million in 2025 to develop new businesses. But management is obviously also interested in profits as well as returning capital to shareholders. For example, it bought back over close to $1 billion of its stock in Q4 alone. Now, for all what you've been waiting for, where's price heading next? Well, we're going to take off this weekly sell level, and we're going to go and look at the current price and go up and to the left. And when you squeeze the chart up, you see price hitting all-time highs near that $210. So price has a long way to get to the what was the all-time highs. All right, so we're going to scroll down to the daily chart. We're going to look at price go up and to the left. And right now, if price is going to move higher, it needs to contend with this 160-day, $168 local top. I want to go back to 2022 and see if there's any real level of interest. All right, so two levels, two targets. First one's going to be at 168. Why? Well, that was where price last went and then reversed. And the other level is going to be at this resistance, support. You have more resistance, resistance, support, resistance. So that is a magnet for price. However, if Airbnb continues to do what it's doing, look for price to move higher. However, do not jump in. Do not jump in. Wait for a retracement. Price may not fill that gap, but maybe wait for price to push back to this local high before resuming its upward move again, targeting that 188 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.